Hey, hi friends, welcome back to Harsha-edu channel, and I hope everyone subscribe my channel. If you not subscribe means please subscribe the channel. And today we are going to discuss about the most interesting topic, malwares. Okay, there are different types of malwares in available in market, but we are going to discuss a few of them most popular malwares. Okay, and virus and virus is a separate and is not a part of these malwares. I am going to take separate video about that viruses, and today we are going to focus on these four only, and worms, trojans, and spyware and ransomware. And if anyone preparing a competitive exams in cybersecurity, most of the people will be know about this malwares. And if you don't know means please listen this video until the end. uh, we are going to see about today's topic is malwares, and what is malwares, and everyone we should know about malwares. And we talk about my computer will be malware will be is there or not, you should be checked like that. We are daily basis we are going to use this word malwares, and most of the peoples don't know what is malwares and why is called malware. Okay, today we are going to see about that one only. Malware is a malicious software, guys. Okay, to steal your data and damage your systems, encrypted files, or spy on your users. Types of Trojan, ransomware, worm, and spyware. Okay, what the malware means, and it is a one of the software which will be steal your data, personal data, sensitive data, and damage your systems, and like it's created ransomware and it will be locked in your system, and encrypted files steal it and spy on your users, like what you are doing, spy on you. Okay, and this is the malware definition, guys. Please remember, malware is a malicious software designed to steal your data and damage systems and encrypted files and spy on users. Okay, this is the definition of the malwares. And first one we are going to see about Trojan, Trojan horse. This is the one of the malware which will be most popular malwares, and why we should use this one means, and it will be the one of the uh, virus malware. It will be entire system will be the your sensitive data or anything, your personals images like that will be there na? And they will be steal your data, and they stored their own network, and they are going to demand you some money like that will be happens. And how the Trojan horse will be attack will be happen means, the Trojan horse means is nothing but to the is a one of the a software, guys. Is look like a software and which will be installed our daily life, like that only it will be inject. Okay, inject in some software. Now I don't know exactly what the that where that the Trojan will be injected. That's why when you are going to download any unknown trusted applications, on that time Trojan horse malware also will be occurs on that link. Okay, before going to download any third party applications into your system, I am recommending you guys go and go to the Google and search like this virus total, and it will be show you one website which will be virus tool. Click that website and paste your URL, which URL you going to download. That URL you go paste under here, and it will be show you is malicious, is malware or virus, is anything is there in that URL means it will be show you. Okay, my suggestion is that one, guys. We don't blame like ఓన్గా ఏది డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి. ఓకే, in our cybersecurity also is a one zero trust is there, right? Zero trust is one of the most important topic on the cybersecurity side. Okay, that's why zero day will be occurs because of the this Trojan horse will be is there, is the one of the malicious malware. Okay, to avoid this one, and we are going to use 0 day and ransomware. Everyone know about this ransomware. You in your life you hear this name at least one time. Okay, what ransomware? Ransomware means the hackers group will be attacking some companies and they lock the servers and they demanding money. That is the ransomware, guys. How this ransomware will be the uh, attack will be happens means the phishings. Okay, like phishing mails they send to you, and RTP and remote access control, guys. Okay, this is one of the protocol. R from a remote, D for desktop, P for protocol. Okay, and next one is vulnerabilities. This one is a RDP is completely control your system using this port. Okay, this port is more dangerous, guys. In your PC also this port will be open means please close immediately. And vulnerabilities, how these vulnerabilities will be happens means every time Microsoft releases their patches. Okay, Microsoft patches under any third applications like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, like this one also will be uh, o- release some patches every year. A lakhs of patches will be released because of the vulnerabilities will be explored on new version. Also it will be immediately that Microsoft team will be investigation that vulnerability and rebuild that applications, like that will be happen. So most of the company's laptops will be updated only. If that company is not updated regularly means ransomware will be attack also will be high chances is there. And examples they are log bit. Okay, I going to discuss about this log bit and everything will be later. And previation backups and micros multi-factor authentication updates. What we are going to take about predictions means we are going to take some backup. Okay, don't put a one data in one system. That not a it's not a good for you and your organization also. And multi-factor authentication, when you multi-factor authentication don't use your mobile OTP. That one also is important. And use always Microsoft authentication, which will be a number entered on the time only it applications will be open. Okay, and update you need to update every week regularly. And one more thing I need to say you guys, and RTP is nothing but a port. Okay, this is a port will be closed every day in your laptop. If you not it close that way, that port, it will be chance to hide to ransomware attack. Okay, and next we are going to talk about computer worm. And I'm going to tell you this simply, guys. This is worm, and it's nothing but if one system will be entered a malware name is worm, and that system will, when the system is connected, try to the server, on that server will be also injected a worm. Okay, like this, when the server attack the worm attack, and the entire the every PC in your organization will be connected to your server, right? On that time automatically server returns the worm malware into your PC. Okay, you don't know about that one, is all everything will be happens in background. Okay, and patching also is important. And firewalls we are going to set every day. We need to check this one mandatory about firewalls. Okay, if you created firewall and you don't look that 1 year 2 years or 1 month 2 months also will become a problem, because a firewall will be sometimes will be unknown persons will be break through, try to break that one. Okay, please we are going to see every day about this patching and firewalls when your organization, when you are working on cybersecurity side. And spyware, this is a spyware which will I'm going to say you simply, this is a one keylogger. Okay, keylogger is nothing but a, when you a hacker will be, hacker inject a one keylogger to your system. When you type anything, your credentials like that, entire your screen or your data will go to the hacker. And also on that time also a hacker try to log in. Okay, and we are going to prevent this one. We should enable in our PC antivirus and updates. Okay, and comparisons, guys. This is Trojan track a users, ransomware is encrypted files, worm is self spreads, and spyware is steal information. These keywords will be helpful for you in competitive exams, guys. Please note down.
and real world also some tools is available. These are the tools. Okay, if you want means go and look in Google Chrome also is available how to how to stay safe. Okay, enable multi-factor authentication, update software, enable antivirus. Okay, backup data mandatory, and avoid suspicious link. What I am saying previous, if you want to click any link before, you don't trust that link and you go and check that website. What I say you previously. That's it, guys. If you like means please share to your friends and subscribe to me and support to me.